How to link and sync checklist items from multiple cards to a single card in Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to link and sync checklist items from multiple cards to a single card in your Trello. So first of all, just simply open the Trello's official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials, and after that just open the workspace that you are working in and just go to the card where you would want to link multiple checklists and sync multiple checklists together. And over here I'm just gonna click on checklist and create a different checklist over here, and I will add a few items also, and you can add multiple list also over here. So as you can see that I have different checklist that I will be linking to a one single card. So now just go to the top menu at the right hand side, and over here you will be able to see the option called automation. Just simply click on it and you will see a bunch of different options like rules, buttons, email reports and send feedback. Just click on the rules section from the top, and now you can see that when a card is created in the list to do by me by the step checklist, so in order to create the automation for the link and sync of different cards on multiple cards into a single card, click on create automation, and after that just simply click on add trigger, and now you can add a card over here. You can add anything as a trigger right now at this point, and once it is done you can move it to some other part, and you can see that it will move and add into the checklist when the checklist will be completed. So you can also add different checklist like so. In the move section also you can add these items, and you can just simply click on save over here, and once it is done your card will be created. So you can see that I have created a single card in which different multiple cards will be linked and synced all together. So basically this is how simple it is to link checklist items from different or multiple cards to a single card in your Trello board. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.